In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a photo background with Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll have a clean, transparent background around your subject, ready for composites, product shots, or any design you have in mind. Start by opening your photo in Affinity Photo. You can drag the image into the workspace or use the File menu to open it. We'll be working non-destructively because the final removal will happen with a mask, so your original pixels stay safe. Next, choose the Selection Brush tool from the toolbar on the left. Make sure it's set to Add to the selection. Adjust the brush size so it feels comfortable for your subject, larger for big areas, smaller for tight edges. A quick way to change size is with the bracket keys, or use the slider in the Context toolbar. Zoom into areas that matter using your usual zoom shortcuts, and pan around while holding the spacebar so you can see edges clearly. Now, brush over the subject. Think of it like telling Affinity, "This is what I want to keep." Start with broad strokes over the main body of the subject, then zoom in for details like fingers, hair, or complex shapes. If the brush accidentally grabs background, switch to subtract mode or hold the modifier key to remove those parts as you go. Short, controlled strokes give you more accuracy, and changing brush size on the fly helps the tool hug the contours of your subject more precisely. If you see tricky edges or semi-transparent areas, click Refine. This opens a preview so you can evaluate your selection on different backdrops. Use the refinement brushes to paint over hair, fur, or soft edges, letting the algorithm detect fine detail. Small tweaks go a long way. Smooth reduces jagged edges, feather adds a slight softness for natural transitions, and ramp nudges the edge inward to avoid halos. Keep an eye on the preview and adjust until the subject looks crisp without unnatural cutouts. When you're happy, click Apply. Finally, click Add Mask. Your selection becomes a mask on the layer, and the background is hidden, revealing transparency. If anything looks off at the edge, select the mask thumbnail and gently paint with a soft brush. Black conceals more, white reveals more. Low flow and low hardness help blend edges convincingly. That's it. You've removed the background cleanly while keeping full control. Practice this on a few images with different subjects and lighting, and you'll get faster and more precise every time.